Hello, this is Christian. I just finished my trading day today, and wanna show you the trades I did. And yeah, now it's pretty much about half an hour before the market closes, and we just get out or stopped out of our last trade of the day. And yeah, just take a look at the trades we did this day. And first, take a look in the morning. Here we see on the five. Or let me scroll this the right way. The first trade of the morning was a long trade and a loser. So as we see on the left hand chart here, we have the 5 minute. Everything is green. So we're looking for an entry on the 1 minute chart, and as you see here, everything is green too. And I just waited to come over that high here. Just place the order here. Everything is green on the 5 and on the 1 minute. And get the fill at 7,424.5, and yeah, short after our entry, the market goes down, and we will stop out here at our trailing stop at 18. So this is a loser, six and a half point loser with 3 contracts. It's about 20 points. Loser, and we're looking for the next entry, and see on the 5 minutes still everything is green. So looking on the 1 minute for another long entry, and for this we look at that high here over the 25.5. We went red, complete red, and go complete green, go over that high here, and enter the position at 25.5. And yeah, the trade runs good in our direction. We hit our first profit target here. We hit our second profit target here. That's 10 points, 15 points. And with the third contract, we were just stopped out here at that level at our trailing stop, with 7,431.5. This is about a 6 point winner. So all in all, we get about 30 points out of this trade. Yeah, then we're looking for the next setup. For this, we have in our mind that we have at 11 o'clock in the morning news date. So in Germany we have an announcement, and waiting for some news. And normally, if this is a little bit strange. Normally, if we have the date at 11 o'clock, this is right here, then 1 or 2 minutes before or later something will happen. Nothing happened, and that is yeah, quite normal for German announcements, let's say, because nobody, I will say not nobody, but the most people didn't care about it. And it's different through an announcement from the Fed or whatever. And so if you have in this area here around 11 o'clock no big moves or no breakdown or jump up, then just trade the method, and everything is fine. But in this case, we have it was a little bit different. So we get an entry. Everything is red on the 5 minute. Everything is red on the 1 minute here, and just come up a little bit. And we're waiting for get red complete here again and go under this low. Just place the order here, And yeah, then we jumped in the trade short at 7,421.5, and then get a pretty fast short move, and get our first two profit targets was 10 and 15 points in, and the third contract is stopped out here at our trailing stop at 18. So all in all, we get out of this trade about 28 and a half points. So then the market runs crazy sideways. If you see such things here, please do not trade. As I told you, you need to see that the market breaks through the high or the low, whatever. But this here is a clear signal to do nothing, no trading in that time. And often, if you have about noon German time, such things here, you need to wait till the US session will open, and 9:30 Eastern, and that is what I did also. So I did no trade in this horrible market here. So we just wait till the open of the US markets, and this is 3:30 German time. So let's take a look here. So US markets open here 9:30 Eastern, and we see we are in a clear uptrend on the 5-minute. That's why we're looking on the 1 minute for an entry in long direction. And for this we wait till everything is green and we come through our last high. So here everything was green, running back a little bit, coming up. So we just look at that high here and we'll enter the trade if everything is green at that point, and we did at 7,426.5. And same as the trade as the first trade in the morning, we get a fill, and short after this the market runs against us, and we were stopped out was about 9 points for each contract. So it's about 27 points lose out of this trade in only a couple of minutes. And yeah, but we don't care. We're looking for the next trade. And see, on the 5 minutes still everything is green, so searching again for a long entry. So the same method, waiting till the market comes back, everything is green. And if everything is green and we come through that high here, we enter the trade, and so we did at 7,428. So jumped in the trade again with the 3 contracts. Get our first profit target of 10 points here, our second profit target with 15 points here, and stopped out with our third contract here, about 5 points over the entry. So get about 30 points out of this long trade. So waiting and looking for the next trade, and in this case a short trade. You see here on the 5 minute everything becomes red, clear red. So the trend changes from up to down. So we're looking in this area for a short entry on the 1 minute. As you see here, the 1 minute becomes completely red. For those of you who did counter trend trades, they were able to jump in the trade here. So because everything is red on the 1 minute, then at 31.5 short, but we're waiting for the normal system entry, and that means waiting for the 5 minutes. And if the 5 minutes are a complete red, not earlier, we will jump in the trade. And this is here in that case, we have the short come a little bit up, and if we go through that low here, at this point we will enter the trade. And so we do at 7,418.5, we go short and hit our first profit target from 10 points here. and stopped out with the other two contracts at our trailing stop for nearly break even, let's say, no lose, so get about 10 or 12, 13 points out of this trade. Then nothing happens. We see on the 5-minute, everything is still red, then becomes a little bit green, red again, green again, so nothing to do. And on the 5-minute, we see here from this point on we are complete green. So we're waiting for a next entry in the long direction. The market runs quite slow now, not that much volume, but we will try it. And see here everything is green and looking for an entry on the 1 minute. And on the 1 minute we see we go green, then we go down again and becomes green again and come through that high here at that point. And so we enter the trade at 7,426.5 long. And the market runs pretty much sideways, was a little bit up and a couple of points in profit, and just around our entry level. And we keep our stop loss just at the trailing stop, and that's why we are stopped out here at this point at 7,426 was all three contracts, and nearly break even, let's say. It's only a half point, so 1.5 point in common with this three contracts. So we had a couple of trades today, and some losers, some break evens, some winners. All in all, we get out of the market today about 55 points. And not that good day, but okay. If you have choppy conditions like this one here, you see here in this area, completely choppy. Please wait till anything happens. So in this case, we're waiting for the opening from the U.S. session. Then the index become a little bit power, and we are able to trade much better. So I hope that helps. I will put on the blog the next days another video. If you have questions, please ask, and Brian or me will answer. And good trading. Bye bye.